Want to know how to not get completely screwed by state sales tax this year as your business reaches 7-figure and above? You're going to want to watch this video from front to back and front to back again as we break it all down for you. Here we go. Hey guys, this is Alan Chen with the Free Cash Flow Agency, and I am a certified public accountant. First of all, thank you for tuning in. In this lesson, we want to deep dive into the world of sales tax, especially if you're in the range of 7-figure plus, and I'll tell you why this is a big concern for those eCom owners out there. And it has everything to do with the word that starts with the letter T, threshold, specifically individual state thresholds. But first, let's start with the fundamentals so we don't confuse you guys right from the start. So, what is sales tax? Sales tax is consumption tax imposed by the government on the sales of goods and services. So in the US, sales tax is charged to the ultimate user, usually the consumer of the product. Unlike that whole value-added tax, which you frequently see in European countries, which is taxed on each stage of the production cycle. For example, in VAT countries, you will get taxed if you buy cotton from someone, then taxed if you make it into a t-shirt to sell to a distributor, and then that distributor will get taxed the marginal difference from packaging the t-shirt to sell to the retailer, and so on and so forth. In the US, tax is just at the end consumer level. Sales tax is all done on the state and local level and nothing on the federal level, which actually makes it extra crazy since each state has its own state sales tax rate. So you may be asking, okay, Alan, I guess it's not too bad. So I just keep up with what, about 45 to 50 state sales tax rates? I got this. I'm running eCom. I'm running 5 stores. I got this. Yeah, I wish it was that simple. What's even more insane is most states allow the cities, the counties, and the districts to create their own sales tax rate too. Yeah, which means there could be over 900 to 1,500 sales tax rates at any given time that you need to keep up with. This is crazy. And also, this ruling changed the game for online businesses. On June 21st, 2018, the United States Supreme Court ruled 5-4 in South Dakota versus Wayfair that states can mandate that businesses without a physical presence in a state that has more than 200 transactions or 100,000 in-state sales tax need to collect and remit sales tax on transactions in that state. So this really changed the game because before this, an online business will need to have physical nexus, right? Which means you physically need to be present, or you or your warehouse or something physically needs to be in that state in order to get charged sales tax on it. But with that court ruling, all you need to have what they call economic nexus, which we're going to go over soon, which means as long as you do enough business with customers in that state, you have to pay sales tax to that state. This opens up a whole can of worms for online business owners. So a question that gets often asked at the firm is, what is nexus? What does it mean? What is nexus? What do you keep referring to nexus? Nexus is defined as a connection or affiliation to an area that triggers sales tax. That's all. There's 2 main ways you can trigger nexus. I kind of went over a little bit, but one is physical presence and the other is economic condition. So here are some common activities that will trigger nexus. Having an office, store, or other location in a state, employees, salesperson, contractors, etc. in that state, owning a warehouse or storage facility, storing inventory in a state, like Amazon FBA warehouse or other third-party fulfillment center counts, having a third-party affiliate in a state, temporarily doing physical business in the state for a limited amount of time, such as at a trade show or craft fair. Hopefully that helps you understand nexus. So now we want to understand threshold, and what they trigger is it is different for each state, which makes it crazy. So you can actually literally put tens of thousands of dollars of profit back into your pocket if you understand each state's threshold better and really break it down and strategize with it. So we have a special bonus for you guys that we're going to show you 2 examples from our course, Tax-Free eCom, Hyperdrive Your After-Tax Profit, to illustrate the power of understanding threshold. Here we go. Let's run the tapes. As you can see from these examples, by doing things in a correct way and understanding threshold, you can save so much money as a 7-figure eCom owners by understanding 1, when you actually have to register and pay sales tax, and 2, when you can avoid paying certain state sales tax by understanding what are the triggers that will force your business to register in that state. At the end of the day, it is important to be compliant so you don't get slapped with heavy fines and penalties. In some state, that can be as high as 22% of your revenue figures. That would not help with your profit margin one little bit when you get hit with that letter saying that you're overdue and you should be paying sales tax on time. Don't be a late sales tax payer. In any case, if you'd like to learn more in depth about topics like this, check out a link in the bio for our online course titled Tax-Free eCom, Hyperdrive Your After-Tax Profit. You got a taste in the middle of this video of what it's going to be like and how much value it's going to bring for your business. And it's really going to show you how to save tens of thousands of dollars in taxes for your business and business strategies that's really going to open your eyes on all the advantage you should be using that billion-dollar companies utilize to grow their business. You don't want to miss out on limited time pricing we have going on right now, which is sure to go up as our students have told us about the incredible return on investment for this course. Terrific. Well, I hope you guys learned a great deal about sales tax and why it's so impactful for seven-figure plus owners. I would encourage you guys to get on the horse if you haven't about sales tax registration and understanding sales tax thresholds, as it's really going to bite you in the butt if you don't and you ignore it and you wait 3 to 4 years. That is not going to be good for your profit margin, not going to be good for your cash flow. In any case, if you need more help in that area or other areas of tax and bookkeeping, feel free to book a free consultation call with us at FCF Agency. We'll see if we can be a great fit together. We only take on clients that we think we can really help and help them grow their business. So if that happens to be out there, we will love to work with you. That's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you give it a like and a subscribe so you don't miss out on any tax and bookkeeping advice that will help your online business save even more money in the future. And of course, it will motivate me to provide more value-packed business and tax videos for you guys, knowing that you guys enjoy the content out there. So feel free to leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know what I miss out on this video, and I can always create an update video to fill in the gaps for you guys. Thank you so much. This is Alan Chen, CPA, signing off. Have a great day ahead.